Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to walk you through the simple steps to create a Bereal account. If you are looking to connect with like-minded people and express your true self, Bereal is the perfect platform for you. Let's get started. The first step is to download the Bereal app. You can find it on both App Store for iOS devices and the Google Play Store for Android. Simply open your App Store and search for Bereal and hit that download button. I have already downloaded the app. Once the app is downloaded, open it up. You will be greeted with a welcoming screen and you can either log in with your existing account or create a new one. Since we are creating a new account, you will need to provide some basic informations like your phone number. Here in the screen, you will need to provide the country code and your phone number and click send verification text. Bereal will send you a verification code to the number you provided. Here I've got my code. Continuing to the process, you will have to provide your name and again your date of birth and enter yes. Now it's time to personalize your Bereal experience. Create a username which will be easy to recognize you by your friends. Continue the process. Here you have to allow Bereal to access your contacts. Bereal will give you the option to connect with your contacts from your phone. You can choose to follow people you know and see their content. So here in the screen, if I want to invite some of my friends, I'll just click invite or even send it through messages or WhatsApp. Then continue to the process. And that's it. Creating a Bereal account is as simple as that. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Bereal has a helpful support team to assist you. Thanks for joining us on this quick journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Share this with your friends who want to join Bereal. See you soon on Bereal.